Ever wondered how your morning coffee, clean drinking water, and even life-saving medicines rely on the same science trick? Stick around as we cover a separation technique known as filtration. Filtration is a separation technique used to separate liquid from insoluble solid. This technique can only be utilized if the mixture consists of liquid and insoluble solids. Here's the first challenge for you. Can you think of at least 3 daily household scenarios where filtration is used? Jot them down and see if you guessed right by the end of the video. The technique consists of the funnel with filter paper held by the clamp stand, the mixture to be separated, and a beaker for collecting the liquid from the funnel. When the mixture is poured into the funnel, the liquid component passes through the filter paper, but the solid component is trapped. The liquid that passes through the filter paper is called the filtrate, while the insoluble solids that remain on the filter paper are called residues. Another challenge. Imagine you're filtering muddy water. How would you ensure the process is efficient and the filter paper doesn't tear? Drop your ideas in the comments. Filtration isn't just for your morning tea or coffee, it's the backbone of various industries, clean water production, air purification, and even pharmaceuticals. Here's a fun fact. The Hippocratic sleeve, an ancient filtration device, was used over 2,000 years ago to filter water. Now that's innovation ahead of its time. To recap, filtration is a separation technique used to separate liquid from insoluble solid. The filtrate is the liquid that passes through the filter paper. Residues are insoluble solids that remain on the filter paper. Filtration may seem like a simple process, but it's a cornerstone of science and industry. It keeps us hydrated, ensures our coffee is smooth, and powers innovation. Now that you've mastered filtration, let's turn up the heat. In our next video, we'll tackle fractional distillation, the science behind separating liquids like a pro. Stay tuned, stay curious, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing science content.